In this quick video, we're going to show you how to do a full factory reset on any Apple HomePod Mini. Now this particular one is an A2374, but you might have a different model, but it doesn't matter. So as you can see right now it's blinking white, that's what you want. If for whatever reason it's blinking orange, it means it's not getting enough power with the 20 watt. You might have an aftermarket charger. So you want to make sure you have the right adapter to plug this USB-C into. And this is a genuine, but I'll put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get one, an aftermarket, that will still work. All right, so first thing we want to do is unplug it from the wall for at least 10 seconds. And you keep it unplugged, and that's doing like a soft reset. All right, and then after it's been 10 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, and immediately it should start spinning white. And as you can see there, it's spinning white. What we're going to do is we're going to just press down in the center, and we don't let go. And all right, and it should start turning like a red. So it's going to spin red now. Keep holding it down, and you don't let go. Keep holding, and it's going to blink. And then you heard the beep 3 times. That means it's done a reset. And now it's going to continue to blink, and it's going through the reset process, so it'll be fresh like it's out of the factory settings, so you can set up all over again. All right, let me know what model number that you have. Again, I want to put a link to the A2305, which is the model number for the genuine adapter that you plug the USB-C into. Now, I want to put a link to Amazon. It's an aftermarket one, but should be 20 watts that is compatible and will actually power it and not have it blinking orange. All right, and some models will actually verbally tell you that it's getting set to reset. The newer ones will. The higher generations, the generation 2 and 3, I believe, do it. This is one of the earlier generations, so it didn't actually say it's resetting, but being that it blinked, or you heard the blink 3 times, the beep rather, then you know that it's reset. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.